guys ready for a summer sweat-proof makeup look? I am! Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Virginia. I make new videos every week on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit my subscribe button down below and that notification bell as well, so you'll be up to date on all the new videos that I create. So for today's look, I thought I'd bring you guys a summer sweat-proof makeup look. I wore a similar makeup look last year when I went on vacation to the Philippines for my grandpa's 90th birthday. That was so much fun. The festivities went all day long. I wanted a makeup look that would look fresh, that would not look greasy or sweaty. I wanted something that looked good in pictures and especially last all day. I am excited to share with you guys how I created this look right here. And if you want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching. All right, you guys, so I forgot to show you two sunscreens that I use on an everyday basis. So this is just a really important step to any makeup look, whether it's a sweat-proof makeup look or just an everyday makeup look or no makeup look, or if you're not going to wear any makeup at all, you must wear sunscreen to protect your beautiful face. So I have two here. They're both from a Korean brand. This one is the Misha Essence Sun Milk SPF 50. Obviously it's been loved. There was a name here, but I think it's Safe Block something. But I'll link everything down below in my description box for everything that I used in this video. But this is the latest one that I purchased. It's the Neogen Dermalogy Daylight Protection Sunscreen in SPF 50. And this one is a much lighter consistency than this one. This one's just a bit thicker. So I just want to show you guys the two sunscreens that I have on my vanity right now. But please make sure you always wear sunscreen. I just want to show you guys these two sunscreens and let's just continue with this video. So brows are on. As I said in my intro, I'm gonna be recreating a summer makeup look that I had on last year. So it's basically a sweat-proof summer makeup tutorial. I use this and this foundation and it stayed all day long. It is hot in the Philippines. Put this on in the morning and it lasted all the way till the late evening and did not budge. And I was so impressed by it, so I was like, let me just show you guys. So Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. So I really like this guy right here. It does come in like a pump bottle. It looks like a greenish type of jelly, but I'm just gonna apply this. My foundation had no problem gripping onto this primer. It had no problem blending into my skin. So this primer worked really nicely. Like, look how tacky that is. Okay, for foundation, what I used last year, and I've shown you this on my recent videos too, but this is just my holy grail foundation. I really do enjoy it. So the one I wore last summer is the same one that I still use this summer. It's the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. This one right here. So I'm just gonna pump some out on my back of my hand. Some spray, but you can lightly damp it with water if you like. Like, I'll pick this foundation over like any high-end foundation. And not all drugstore items are like bad quality, whether it's skincare or makeup. I've noticed drugstore brands, they've stepped up their game. So, just because it's from the drugstore doesn't mean it's necessarily like not good quality or it's not bad or anything like that. So I rave about this foundation quite a lot. My family asked me what foundation I'm wearing. Customers at my job ask me what foundation I'm wearing. or like they like my complexion on my skin. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's from the drugstore, you need to try it out. So I'm just gonna blend this in. And what I like about this, it's not heavy at all. It feels like your skin. It's not tacky. It's not where you can tell it's sitting like on your face. It's a really nice foundation. It has nice coverage. You can build it up to make it a more full coverage. I just picked up some new concealer. This was not the concealer that I wore last year. I think I just used a Tarte Shape Tape one last year, but I didn't know what shade to get. So I got two. I think I got medium warm and medium peach. So this is in the shade medium peach. A bit of a yellow undertone. So like the e.l.f. concealer, what is this? What is this called? The e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. Do you like this one or do you like the hydrating one? Should I have gotten the hydrating one? Because I do have dry under eyes. Maybe I'll try that next time if I remember, but we'll see how this one works. This concealer is just too dry for my under eyes because I have bad allergies and my under eyes are just dry just because of the time. So I'll definitely try the hydrating concealer. If you think the hydrating concealer is a lot better than the original formula, let me know down in the comments below. So that is good for now. I don't know how I feel about this. It is clinging onto my dry patches on my under eyes. So I like wearing creams during the summer, but I didn't have any cream bronzers on last year. I just used my Benefit Hoola bronzer just because I know I wanted like my makeup to stay, so I just went ahead and used my Hoola one. But I'm gonna go ahead and cream bronze and then set with my Hoola. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty cream bronzer in the shade Honey Glaze. I like it so far. It's a pretty bronzer color. So I'm just gonna take I think this is it's a Real Techniques brush, but I don't remember the name of it. So I'm just gonna go right here and just pounce this out. Take my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm just gonna dabble just a little bit. I usually set my under eyes, but since this concealer is a bit dry for my under eyes, I'm not gonna like heavily set it. I'm going to set my forehead, gonna set the nose, around the nose, mouth and chin. Then just take the slightest powder and hit it, barely touching it, the concealer. Okay, that's good. This is my favorite bronzer brush. It's the Japanesque brush. And then I'm just gonna dip into the Benefit Hoola bronzer. I need a new one. Mine's already loved and it's broken and everything like that. So I'm just gonna take that. I'm just gonna set where I put my cream bronzer. Right there. Oh, I keep forgetting to do that. I was gonna do a cream blush because I haven't really used it yet on here. Oh well. Put a cream over a powder. You want to do all your creams first and then set with the powder, but I'm gonna just go ahead and do it because I really want to use this blush. The Fenty Beauty Cream Cheeks Out Cream Blush in the shade Strawberry Drip. Like, how cute is that color? I'm actually just gonna take my fingers. This is a pigmented blush, very pigmented. So I'm just going to get some of my fingers, tap out a little bit on my hand, just put it there on the apples of my cheeks. See how pigmented that thing is? So don't do what I just did. If you're gonna do creams, do all your creams first and then set it with your powder. Okay. Put a little bit on my nose, across the nose. Okay. Just put a little bit on my nose so it gives me that sun-kissed look. Okay. So I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and just blend this out. I'm actually gonna roll over it just a little bit just so it could take that excess product out that I don't want. Make sure it blends in with that bronzer. And then for the eyes, I just did a typical wing liner for that day for my grandpa's party, but I think I'm gonna switch it up and do a cream one eyeshadow one and done type of look. So I'm trying to unwrap this. Anybody have birthdays this month? If you do, let me know in the comments below so I can wish you guys a happy birthday. I'm just bringing it up because my goddaughter, her birthday is in July. My cousin and my grandpa, they're in July. So there's quite a few summer babies in my family. So if you have a July birthday, let me know. I want to wish you guys a happy birthday. This is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Pure Gold. This one right here. So I'm just gonna sweep this like all over my lid. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're just gonna blend it out anyway. So I'm just gonna take my ring finger and just pat this guy out. That's that. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and put some mascara on and then put some lashes. Lashes are finally on. These are the Ardell Wispy lashes. I got the 5-pack one off of Ulta, I believe. And we are almost done with this look. And for that look, I did a coral lip, but I think I'm just gonna go with my go-to like nude brown lip. I'm pretty sure I used this bright coral one because I wanted to be, you know, really tropical that day. Pretty sure I used this coral one, but there's also this nice pretty pink one too. So this coral one is in Hot Tamale and then the other one is in Staycation. But I'm gonna just do like my normal favorite nude lip in between my Makeup Forever Artist color pencil in the shade Whatever Walnut, or sometimes I go with my LA Girl Ultimate Lip Intense Stay Auto Liner. I believe it's in the shade Keep It Spicy. Go ahead and line the lips. Go ahead and use my Dose of Colors, More Creamer Please. To dab that on. Put on my gloss. It's by Dose of Colors as well. It's the Over the Top. I need a new one. I don't even know if they still have it online. It's from the Desi Katie collab. It's been through and back. Like, it's a loved gloss of mine. I forgot to put on highlighter. You guys, you didn't remind me. For highlighter, I believe I packed this Dose of Colors one, the one in Fuego and the one in Mirame, but I'm gonna go ahead and use the Fuego one. I'm already on pan on it. It's been on pan forever, but I'm just gonna go ahead and just take a fan brush and just go over top of my nose, the point of my nose, tops of my cheeks. After I'm finished with this look, I'm gonna go ahead and spritz my face with the Fenty Beauty Make It Do setting spray. Before I end this video, I'm gonna set my brows using the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. You guys, this kept my brows in place all month long. Like, it's glue for your brows. Alright you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this summer sweat-proof makeup look. I know I changed some products from what I exactly use in the Philippines, but I know for sure I use my Benefit foolproof brow powder. I also use the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. I use that, and I definitely use the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. This is a sample, but it does come in a bottle. I definitely use my favorite Holy Grail L'Oreal 24-hour foundation. Those are the products I definitely use to make all of this stay. Definitely for my grandpa's party, I want to look good for pictures and videos and just meeting all the family. I definitely use these two guys, and these were a lifesaver, and it is so hot in the Philippines. So if this worked and it stayed and looking all fresh, it'll work for you anywhere you are in the summer. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look, and if you want to see more videos from me, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!